Hello everyone! Welcome back to Info in 1611, your guide for nursing careers and opportunities around the world. If you are a nurse and dreaming about working in Australia, one of the safest, most advanced, and high-paying countries for healthcare professionals, this video is just for you. Today, I will explain step by step how you can become a registered nurse in Australia in 2025. We will talk about eligibility, exams, English requirements, AHPRA registration, visa options, jobs, and even permanent residency pathways. So stay with me till the end because this guide can literally change your life. Step 1. Why Australia needs nurses. First, let's understand the opportunity. Australia is facing a huge shortage of healthcare staff. By 2030, the country is expected to need more than 100,000 additional nurses. That means international nurses, like you, are in great demand. Not only do nurses in Australia earn attractive salaries, usually starting from 65,000 to 90,000 Australian dollars per year, but they also enjoy work-life balance, safe working conditions, and permanent residency options. Step 2. Basic eligibility. Now, what are the requirements? If you are a Bachelor of Science in Nursing graduate, you are eligible to apply directly. If you are a GNM nurse, you may need additional bridging or experience depending on assessment. MSc nurses are also eligible and may have an advantage. Along with education, it's always good if you have at least 1 year of clinical experience, although some nurses apply even without long experience. Step 3. English language requirement. To work as a nurse in Australia, English proficiency is mandatory. You can prove it through IELTS Academic, overall 7.0 with 7 in each band, OET, grade B in all 4 modules, listening, reading, writing.
The OBA pathway is currently the most common route for international nurses. It has 2 parts. NCLEX. This is a computer-based exam similar to what nurses take in the United States and Canada. It tests your theoretical knowledge, critical thinking, and decision-making as a nurse. You can attempt NCLEX at test centers in many countries, so you don't have to travel to Australia just for this. OSCE. This is a practical exam conducted only in Australia. OSCE stands for Objective Structured Clinical Examination. You will be given simulated clinical scenarios like handling a patient with chest pain or demonstrating wound care. Trained examiners will observe how you manage. Once you pass both NCLEX and OSCE, you are officially eligible for AHPRA registration as a registered nurse in Australia. Add tip for audience. Pro tip: start preparing early for NCLEX. There are many online courses, practice questions, and coaching available. For OSCE, some academies in Australia provide training programs to help you pass on the first attempt. Step 6. Getting a job and visa. Now let's talk about jobs and visa options. After you clear OBA and register with AHPRA, you can apply for nursing jobs in public and private hospitals, aged care facilities, community health centers, mental health nursing units. Many employers in Australia are ready to sponsor nurses. The common visa options are Subclass 482, Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, allows you to work for 2 to 4 years. Subclass 186, Employer Nomination Scheme, Direct Permanent Residency through Employer Sponsorship. Subclass 189 or 190, Skilled Migration Visa, Points-Based Permanent Residency without Employer Sponsorship. This means you have multiple pathways to not just work, but settle permanently in Australia. Step 7. Salary and benefits. Let's quickly talk about salary. On average, nurses in Australia earn between 65,000 to 90,000 Australian dollars per year. Senior nurses and specialists can even earn above 100,000 Australian dollars. Apart from salary, you also get paid annual leave, superannuation, retirement benefits, allowances for night shifts and overtime, a safe and supportive work environment. This makes nursing one of the most secure and respected careers in Australia. Step 8. Permanent Residency Pathway. Finally, the big dream, permanent residency. Since nursing is always on Australia's skilled occupation list, you have a strong chance of PR. You can apply through Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 190 State-Sponsored Visa, Subclass 186 Employer Nomination Visa. Usually, after working 2 to 3 years in Australia, most nurses become eligible for PR. This means you and your family can live in Australia permanently, enjoy free education for kids, healthcare benefits, and even apply for citizenship later. So friends, that was the complete guide on how to become a nurse in Australia in 2025. Step 1. Check eligibility. Step 2. Clear IELTS, OET, or PTE. Step 3. Apply to AHPRA. Step 4. Pass NCLEX and OSCE through the OBA pathway. Step 5. Get a job with sponsorship. Step 6. Apply for permanent residency. Australia is waiting for skilled nurses like you. With the right preparation, this dream is 100% possible. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InfoIn 1611, your trusted channel for nursing careers abroad. See you in the next video, and all the best for your journey to Australia.